Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ahmad Nuruddin. I'm from Group 4. So we have 6 members. We had first Nurul Hidayah binti Baharin, Siti Noharzika, Nurifa Iliani, Nur Shikin, and I, Wan Ahmad Nuruddin. And for the last one is Nurhanan Hamiza. Okay, next slide. Today we will present about the project post laju delivery system. Okay. For the phase one is system planning. First, okay, we start from the Gantt chart. Okay, as you know, the purpose of the Gantt charts is the amount of work done or production complete in a certain period of time in relation to the amount planned for those periods. Okay, okay. Actually, we need 21 days to complete the project, and the first day we discuss the project. Actually, we have two discussion, part 1 and part 2. Okay, and the next day is we go to the interview post laju to get the data flow system, and after the next day we discuss to analysis interview the post laju. Okay, okay, report phase 1 we need 6 days to complete. First introduction and system request evaluation, period priority new system, and discussion part 2. Discussion part 2 is the summary of the report phase 1 and the planning for the report phase 2. Okay, okay, report phase 2 we need 8 days. First, JAD. Second is DFD and FDD. Okay, object modeling and TCO, and the conclusion. Okay, we go the next slide. Okay, critical parts. Critical part is the sequence of the project network activity which add up to the longest overall duration, regardless if that longest duration has flowed or not. Okay, we have a few critical parts. First is system request evaluation. We need 3 days. Okay, after that it's priority new system, discussion part 2, DFD and FAD, object modeling and TCO, and conclusion. Okay, that is critical parts from group 4. Okay.
Hi, my name is Nur Hidayah binti Baharin. Now I want to present about background post Malaysia Berhad. Post Malaysia Berhad is a postal delivery service in Malaysia with a story dating back to early 1800. Postal and related service are provided by Post Malaysia is, for the first is standard mail. For example, non-standard mail, standard mail, postcard, mail rakyat, post express, post daftar, and post solution. The second is courier express and parcel CEP. For example is same day delivery, next day delivery, time certain service, post parcel, post express, post laju prepaid pack, on demand pickup, and prepaid envelope or box. After that is retail, bill payment, driving lesson renew, personal insurance. After that is international mail, and then logistic, and for the last is e-commerce. The company hold an exclusive concession through a network of over 926 branches and mini post office in Malaysia. Okay, now I want to present the workflow for delivery in Post Laju. Okay, first go to counter Post Laju and make delivery option, and then buy plastic and sender and receive information later, and then wrap the parcel. After that, write sender and receive information. After that, give the parcel at the counter, and then key in the data from sender. After that, parcel collection by Post Laju, and then parcel sorting by Post Laju, and then key in the data received to delivery on the Post Laju tracking, and the last is delivery from Post Laju tracking. System request evaluation. Introduction. The delivery system need to be improved to ensure delivery can be delivered on time and safely. Post Laju need improvement of the delivery system to ensure delivery can be carried out quickly and received safely. The SWOT analysis. For the strengths, processing in the delivery system can be done quickly, save more time. Senders or recipients can check the status of their items from time to time. Delivery items are in a good quality and safely. For the witness, could not find parcel track information. The sender phone number from Post Laju is incorrect. For the opportunities is delivery can be delivered on time and safely. Delivery items are in a good quality. For the tray, the item is slow to reach the recipient.
Hi, I'm Nurash again. I will continue for the next slide. The mission in our system is to improve the post-laju delivery system to all stakeholders by ensuring the quality and safety of the items to be delivered by using their service. And for the vision, to make post-laju be the best delivery courier and meet the needs of its stakeholders and be compatible with customers at every stage of delivery process. Our goals are to provide user-friendly system for customers in line with development of technology. The second goals are ensuring to save more time in post-laju management or services involving customer and employees. Next is making a systematic system in post-laju service delivery. Fourth, guarantee all the customers' items received and delivered in good condition. And lastly is to update every movement of the item to receive. For our strategy are to improve delivery processing time so the items can be processed quickly. Indirectly, with this alternative, the system can facilitate the movement of items to recipient. Anyways, for the priority, the item needs to be categorized accordingly before delivered to the recipients and make a new notification system of the item's movement so the recipient can obtain the status of their items. Next is for the feasibility study. There are two feasibility studies that involve in this system: technical feasibility and operational feasibility. For the technical feasibility, we want to make the post-ledger system more relevant and their service more competitive in a long term. Therefore, they can gain customer confidence to use the delivery service. And for the operational feasibility, the management will be more organized by classifying all the items to be delivered accordingly with state and regions, so the distribution of the item can be done faster. The new version of the notification system, it can assist recipients to see the movement of items and give the best estimation rates that will reduce recipient worries about the existence of their items. For the next slide, I will let my friend Sitin Harzika to continue.
Thank you, Nora Ashikin. Hi, my name is Siti Nora Hazika binti Zana Abidin. Now, I would like to present about a preliminary investigation report. Preliminary investigation is carried out to enhance an existing delivery distribution by state at the counter and send the notification about parcel to customer. System request summary. Post Laju has made a request to improve the delivery distribution and notification system to customer. This request is made due to reduce the disorderly parcel in hub and get a move on the process of delivery distribution. And at the same time, they want to update the notification system to customer by message. Preliminary investigation finding. It has two issues to address. First, delivery distribution system. The customer need to buy consignment note based on the weight of the parcel. The parcel will record and will be sent to Hub Post Laju. The Hub Post Laju will process the parcel to distribute by state and area. Based on the initial investigation with Post Laju, a few recommendations would be carried out. First, we suggest to delivery distribution system and information system. Next slide is about time and cost estimation. We estimate that 2 weeks will be required for us to complete the two phases, which are system planning and system analysis. Tasks will be carried out based on the Gantt chart that have been created by project manager. If the system development work continues on this project, estimate costs for the project are as follows. Developing cost is around 500,000 ringgit Malaysia. Annual operating cost is around 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. The summarized duration for each phase of the project development follow. System planning, duration 6 days, and system analysis, the duration is around 8 days. And then the total phases is around 40 days. It not include holidays. Expected benefit. Tangible cost. Less time consuming to generate report and output. Reduce delay cost by sending parcel to hub. Minimize customer complaint to late delivery. Intangible cost. Improve delivery distribution and customer information. Fast delivery and gain customer satisfaction in Post Laju service. Next, I will pass to my friends for phase 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norifa Iladimiti Zuraimi and I want to continue the presentation. Okay, I want to continue about phase 2, which is system analysis. Okay, let's talk about the introduction. What is system analysis? System analysis is a phase where a system requirements document is created that capture the needs if all the stakeholders requires the team to prepare four contents which are one requirement modeling, two data and process modeling, three object modeling, four development strategies. Okay, next. Okay, let's go to the next slide, which is Joint Application Development JAD. It consists of project leader and JAD team members that ensure the delivery system to be successful by insulated from distraction of day-to-day operations. As we can see, that we have five members, uh, which is Nurul Hidayah binti Bahrain as project manager, Siti Nurhazika binti Zainal Abidin as system analyst, Nurul Ashiki binti Muhammad Fazil and me Norifa Ilham Tizurami as manager, Wan Ahmad Nuruddin bin Sabri as recorder and Nurhanan Hamizah binti Zuri as IT staff. Okay, next, joint application development participants and roles. As we can see, we have five roles in this delivery system. We have JAD project leader. The roles is develops an agenda, plan and organization, and leads the JAD session. Next, system analyst. System analysts provide technical assistance and resources on issues such as hardware, software, network capability, security, and backup. Next, manager. Manager is understanding the support business function and requirements. Next, IT staff member. IT staff member will ensuring technical issues are resolved such as security breach or system difficulties. Next, recorder. Documents the result of JD session and work on building system model. Let's go. Okay, on the next slides, we talk about joint application development agenda. First, project leader. Project leader introduce all JAD team members, and then the project leader will discuss ground rules, goals, and objective for all the JAD session. And then project leader explain methods of documentation and use of case tools. Top management. Top management explain the reason and requirement of the project. Why we should do the system, and then the project leader provide overview of the current post-laju delivery system. When we want to do the delivery system, the recorder will record and overview the post-laju delivery system, and then present outline of specific topics and issues of the existing system to be investigated. Next, we do open discussion session. In the open discussion session, we review tasks, inputs, and outputs requirement in the enhanced system with the team. And then we discuss and document all system requirements. Next, develop models and mockup. And then project leader. Project leader receive report on assigned tasks and topics. And project leader present issues that should be addressed by the overall team. And then we do our open discussion session. In the open discussion session, we review reports, reach consensus on main issues, and document all topics. And last but not least, project leader. Project leader prepare the report. Next, I will let my friends to continue the presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. We will talk about the DFT or the data flow diagram. Okay, next slide. DFD is show the data move through an information system but does not show the processing system. It also provides a logical that show what the system does. Content diagram is a top-level view of an information system that represent information system with the boundaries and scope. Okay. Okay. Poslaju will be delivery the customer item or the parcel. Okay. We look from the supplier. After the payment successful, the supplier will give the invoice and receipt with the parcel. Okay, the parcel will be through product ID, and they scan the parcel or give the barcode, okay, to the Poslaju. And the Poslaju will deliver to the customer and represent the item what customer order. Okay, we look at, okay, this is the FD0 diagram. Okay, from the supplier will give the order and the name is the parcel. Okay, after the payment successful, supplier will post to the Poslaju, and Poslaju will pass the parcel at the storeroom to get to know the quantity. Okay, to know the quantity. Okay, when the Poslaju want to delivery to the customer, the storeroom will pass, okay, will through at the Poslaju again and give customer. Okay, customer will get the order receipt, the product or the parcel, and the store delivery. Okay. Okay, the next is functional decomposition diagram, FDD. Okay, we go to the FDD means a representation of the function or process that help analysis show function and how work into lower until level process. Okay, Poslaju is the main. Okay, receive parcel from supplier, what customer order, and the parcel will process. Poslaju want to know what kind of the parcel and the quantity. Okay, okay, after then the parcel will be moved to parcel dispatch at parcel hub. Parcel hub is a center of the Poslaju. Okay. Okay. The next is the arrive at Poslaju near the customer house. Okay. And the parcel has been delivery successful, means the customer get the parcel what customer order. Okay, thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, Doctor and my friends. So I will continue with object modeling. We use unified modeling language for this object modeling. This diagram is represent of post-laju system. First, the supplier has to fill the customer's form and drop off the parcel at post-laju counter. And then the staff at the counter will key in all the customer's data and send the parcel to storeroom for sorting based on customer state. And then the postman will deliver the parcel to the customer. Next, I will present about total cost of ownership. First, development cost. The development cost is 50,000 ringgit. The annual operating cost is 50,000 ringgit. The maintenance cost is 30,000 ringgit. The security cost is 66,000 ringgit.
and the hardware cost is 5,000 ringgit, and the total cost of ownership is 201,000 ringgit. The benefit of system analysis is to classify the parcel based on the state, to update the movement of the parcel to the customer, to reduce manpower of humans, and to shorten the process of processing parcel. So for the conclusion, as you can see, Pos Laju is the biggest carrier in Malaysia, but the big demand of this service may affect the quality of the service. We are sure Pos Laju can improve the context of their service. With a bit of improvement, Pos Laju can shorten their delivery. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.